This is the one where like King Kong fights with the T-Rex.
Yeah. Morning.
Seems to be some squeaking, Kevin.
Huh? Yeah.
Did you bring your lube?
No. He needs to lube it up.
Lube it, lube. You just need to lube it, lube it.
The chain's already lubed, but
I think it's the little gears on the derailleur, maybe.
hey Vaughn, that light's blinding. The back one.
Oh. Is it off now?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Oh man, Kevin doesn't have his motor on.
He doesn't?
Is he conserving?
I don't know. He's pogoing though quite a bit.
Eco, like 4 out of 10.
Okay, we're gonna go visit my dead friend's grave. It's the beginning of the Halloween season. Gray Squirrel, that's Gray Squirrel. We're on Powder Canyon. Hello, morning.
You were adjusting it. I had to adjust this one because the eco on this earlier was too torquey. Morning.
Morning.
I think they sighted Kong.
Huh?
I think they sighted Kong.
Hiding.
Yeah, well, you know, it's early. Probably had a late night.
Like you guys. Oh man, nobody helped David, huh?
Well, you know, we all gotta fly out of the nest sometime.
It's his turn, right?
Yeah. It was the most amazing thing. It was the very last day that he was gonna be with us. And he makes this one last attempt to stay with us by buying the bike.
Yeah, he switched departments from my understanding.
Yeah, because I said, well, have a great life, Tibet. I'll see you on the social network with likes and hearts and an occasional comment,
Yeah.
like LOL. Like that'll be that's what our relationship will be reduced to.
So
And
you
then-
really need to get onto your bike so you could.
So then he was like, oh no, I can't let that happen. I
Yeah.
gotta spend, I don't know how much he spent. I gotta drop 5 grand. Otherwise, well, I'll never see my friends again. I'm like, dude, you can make new friends. He's like, no, I've tried. You're the only ones in my life.
What? Oh man.
Yeah, third. Oh yeah.
Huh? No,
Chain fell off?
something. Yes, Kevin was right.
What happened? It's not shifting?
Yeah. Just went off of its stealing thingy.
Oh, it's off the chain? Or I mean off the... Fell off the chain.
You gotta go up.
Yeah, maybe go up a couple.
Okay, I can't go all the way down now. I think I looped it up too much. I was just lubing and lubing.
Is that a thing? You loop too much?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You need a little friction, huh?
Let's see here. Okay, we're back in business. Whoa, whoa.